It looks something like this.
Hello gorgeous, welcome back to my channel. I have another designer video for you, designer review slash open. This is really an open. So today we are opening my first Chanel purchase. All right, so I just want to say that I know I talk about a lot or review a lot of designer pieces on here, but I'm very much a normal girl in that the only time I get a designer gift or I make a designer purchase is when it's for a special occasion. These shoes in particular were a special occasion because they were supposed to be a belated Valentine's Day gift to me from Matt. However, I actually saved up my Nordstrom notes, like a huge amount of Nordstrom notes, so that when I purchased them, it was like a little amount that I was actually paying for them. So I still am very much that normal girl from Ohio who the idea of spending that much money on a pair of shoes is still like boggles my mind. So just know that I'm still normal. Anyways, all right. So I got these at Nordstrom. Like I said, these are the Chanel Flats lambskin beige black. Okay. So this is what they look like, and this is what the box looks like, and I'm gonna open it. And first you see the little bag that they come in. I have not worn these, they are brand new. Here's my receipt actually. So the purchase price for these is $7.50. And this is what they look like. They have not even been on my feet outside of the store. I did try them on in the store, but they're brand new. They just have stickers on the bottom, and I don't know why. Like, that's caca. Like, don't sell somebody brand new shoes with caca stickers, especially when they're $750. I'm a snob. Okay, moving on. So these are them. These are the ballet flats. They're very flat. I wanted these because I thought that they were very classic, and they looked like Audrey Hepburn meets my mama. And that's why I liked them. I think that they're just really cute and feminine, and the thing that surprised me about them, I have the Tory Burch Riva flats, ballet flats. That was one of my very first designer-ish purchase gifts from Matt. After my Louboutins, he bought me the Tory Burch Riva flats for, I think it was my birthday or Christmas. Anyways, it took a very long time to break those shoes in. They hurt my feet for so long, and then all of a sudden they just stopped and they were broken in. So these shoes are very different than the ballet flats from Tory Burch. These soles are so hard in comparison, and there's like a true heel on it. Whereas like the ballet flats from Tory Burch are true ballet flats. This has a little bit of a harder back on it. When I tried these on in the store, I could tell they're gonna hurt my feet, but the salesman said, it just takes a little while to break these in like any other shoe. So to wear them around the house for a while to make sure that I like them, because if I don't, then to bring them back. And I haven't worn them. I've been holding on to them because I don't know if I love them. I'm really torn on these. Do you guys love them? Because I've seen my girlfriend Emily and Gemma on Instagram, she has the ballet flats that are, not the ballet flats, but the espadrilles with the big C's. And I saw those after I bought these, and I'm like, did I make a mistake? Should I have gotten those instead of these? I don't know. What do you guys think? Let me know. Weigh in the comments below. Should I keep these? Should I return them and get a different pair? Or do you just not even like Chanel's at all? Like, let me know in the comments what you think. But overall, this is them. They are brand new. And they don't look new though, do they, on camera? They've literally never been worn. It makes me feel like somebody wore these and returned them. Do you see that bottom? What the honk? I mean, I almost smelled that on camera. Is that weird? Why would you smell the bottom of a shoe? Like, who even thinks about smelling the bottom of I mean, I'm all touching it and stuff. Like, what's wrong with me? And I just spit on my lip. Guys, I'm a hot freaking mess. Anyways, these are them. Let me know in the comments. Should I keep them? Should I not keep them? Should they go back? Should I get a different pair? Should I just return them all together and get my Nordstrom notes back and get something else? I don't know. I'm so torn. I need your help. Let me know. All right, guys. So that was my unboxing. Let me know what you think, what I should do. This is like very deep life questions that I just need your help on. Make sure you're subscribed to my channel if you're not already subscribed, and turn on notifications so that you can be among the first to know when I post a new video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and don't forget to visit me on my blog, angelalanter.com. All right, guys. Au revoir.